This is Breakfast, a segment about how long I fasted before breaking, how much weight I've lost since my last fast, what foods I'm breaking it with, and how many calories I consumed, how long my eating window was, my weight after refeed, how I'm feeling, and what's next. Welcome to day 220. I'm just editing this video and realized it's not day 220, it's day 221. Back to the video of my fasting journey, my health and wellness journey. Later tonight, I'll be breaking my 66th fast since restarting my journey back in November of 2023. That's 66 fasts in 220 days. Again, 221. Nearly 8 months, averaging 75 hours per fast. That's over a 3-day fast in the last 8 months. Fasting, feasting, repeating. Fasting, feasting, repeating. Yeah, it was kind of corny. But it is how I lost 80 pounds in the first 5 months and how I've maintained and kept it off for the last 3. 3 days ago on my last fast, I weighed in at 139.8 pounds. I refed at home solely, which is a first in a while. I have been going out to eat almost every single refeed for the last, couple weeks, but this was solely at home, and I actually did record a bit of it, so here's what that looked like. It is currently 68 hours and 53 minutes into my fast. I am ending that right, if I can hit it, right now. 68 hours and 53 minutes. Right here I have squash, yellow squash, roasted, salt, pepper, olive oil. That's what I'm breaking my fast with. I still have some more back there. And then after this, I'm gonna have salad, Brussels sprouts, Italian sausage, and probably a lot of the rest of foods I typically eat. I'll be back. I have a Caesar salad here. There is, I think, nothing extra in here except extra Parmesan cheese. I forgot to buy croutons, but Caesar salad. I also have more. I bought another one just in case, but we'll see. Delicious. 2 bananas. Banana number 2. All right, I have a bowl of fruit here, strawberries. Oops, that's a big strawberry. I have pineapple, which looks very orange, but I think that's because it was like with the strawberries, and kiwi. As you can see here, Brussels sprouts and Italian sausage, my absolute favorite. Amazing. Okay, that's it for now. I still have some more too. I just wanted to plate it to show you all. I have chicken tenders right here. Should be no surprise. One of the things I typically eat after. Oh, that's hot. One of the things I typically eat after Brussels sprouts and Italian sausage. Sorry for the mess on my plate. This is like the spices from the Brussels sprouts and Italian sausage. I have honey mustard here. And ranch. And this is great. And I'm out. Got my trusty tin of cashews here. I'm not gonna lie, I am probably gonna eat this whole tin. I was thinking about measuring it out so I don't eat 1,400 calories in one sitting, but today is a eat the entire tin of cashews day. I have 2 protein bars right here, and I might as well just, instead of taping it twice, I might as well eat both while I'm here. Chocolate peanut butter. Chocolate mint. Okay, bye. I have, what is it? I have here Reese's peanut butter cup cookies. I've actually never had these before. Okay, these are very soft. It tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Kinda. Oh yeah. I just wanted to try something different. There's no way I'm eating all 4. I'll probably have 1 at the most. They're not bad. I'm getting pretty full. Those 2 protein bars were pretty filling at this point, so I'm getting there. Okay, bye. Oh man, okay, I'm pretty full at this point. Just to show you where I'm at 2 hours and almost 42 minutes. I'd say at least 5,000 calories, but probably closer to six-ish thousand, if not more. But that's it. Just so you have an idea of what I eat when I'm at home. And had something different too. I actually had pie, which is back there somewhere, but no room for pie. These cookies, I had 1.5 of them. They were good, but they were big cookies and pretty sweet, and I'm done for the night. Plus it's like 12:16, so gonna get ready for bed. Have a good one. I did add an extra 25 calories for the Diet Mountain Dew that I didn't feel myself drinking. The day after this refeed, I went from 139.8 pounds to 144.4 pounds. A 4.6 pound gain, which is pretty average, and actually it's a little on the low side. The last couple refeeds, my weight after the refeed has been somewhere around the 6 to 7 pound range, which leads me to today. I'm currently 60 plus hours fasted, and this morning I weighed in at a record low 137.2 pounds. Now this is a record low since restarting my journey, and it's now put me on the lower end of my maintenance range. This is also the lowest weight I've been since I gained those 21 pounds on my 10-day vacation about 2-ish months ago. The interesting part for me is how my weight stayed around the high 130s, low 140s, 65-hour fast after 65-hour fast after 65-hour fast. Tonight I'll be ending my 19th consecutive 65-hour fast. It's just really interesting how it took 19 of those to go from the high 130s to the low 140s, and then all of a sudden, bam, I lose almost 3 pounds this time around. But to me, it just solidifies trusting the process. I can still eat whatever I want during my refeeds, no caloric restriction, no macro restriction, eating 5, 6, 7,000 plus calories and still either maintaining my weight or losing weight. So while I'm on day 220 of my journey, this is actually day 84 of my maintenance plan. This is 12 weeks in. 3 months of keeping the weight off, maintaining my weight. I'm still going for my 1 hour minimum walk 6 times a week, and I'm still lifting weights, strength training at least 3 to 4 times a week. While fasted, even today, even at 60 plus hours fasted. This shows that you can still go for a walk while fasted. This shows that you can still lift weights while fasted. This shows that you can still live a normal life while fasted. If you don't believe me, go 8 months back. Watch my videos when I was 220 and lost the 80 pounds and showed and documented the entire process. It can be done. What's next? Well, tonight I am going to an all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue spot, and then I am gonna be coming home and I'm gonna be still eating some more, still refeeding some more, and then I am going to be working on my 20th consecutive 65-hour fast. Nothing else is really changing. My goals are still intact: to lose excess fat, whatever excess fat is left, to build muscle, and to be a healthier and happier me, both physically and mentally. Fasting, weight loss, and accountability coaching one-on-one with me. You can check the link in the description for more details. I will see you in the next one.